What's up, guys? That's fine, babe. Alright, I just brought the boxes in. This is what they look like now in the house. Oh, I love them. Looks so fucking awesome. Almost reminds you of a barn or something. Classier though. Yeah, I'm all about this shit. Look, bang. Get the subs back in them. It's funny, these JLs don't have much of a motor, but they can handle some shit. And that extended pull on the back of there, that makes it for a long throw. They got a long throw woofer. Yeah, I'll get these loaded up, and we'll get them popping flame. Peace, guys.